One of my favorite places is the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary in Chiang Mai, Thailand. The Karen tribe teaches you about their culture and these massive and majestic elephants. You are able to get up close to the elephants. I was able to touch the elephant's rough, dry, and thick skin. You are also able to feed the elephants bananas and sugar cane. Lastly, you end the experience by helping the elephants bathe in their personal mud spa. If you are ever in Thailand, I would recommend visiting one of these ethical and sustainable elephant sanctuaries.